We're going off-road, way back off the highway.
We want to grow this channel. Help us out by hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thanks.
I want you to go first so I get footage of you, and then I want to go in front when we get in the good trail.
Alright, so when I hit that last hole, I put a crack in the radiator.
We struggled a tiny bit.
And it fucking sucks.
Really?
But the truck wasn't overheating.
Chris has to take it easy because of the baby.
Yeah, I did have a baby in the car with me. We couldn't really tell where it was coming from. So then we decided to limp it back. The whole time that we were coming through here, like I said, it was running in normal running temperature. It wasn't overheating or anything. Tried to take it easy. But yeah. Got back onto the main dirt road. Still running normal temperature. You can see the steam and the water coming out of the radiator right here by the tire. Temperature's still fine. You can see. That's where it normally runs. As soon as we got out back to the road, engine shut off, and we were stuck at this gas station. So we decided to wait here while the tow truck came, see if anything cool happened.
Maybe something funny or something cool will happen, and then we can. You just edit it. Don't be scared to edit.
I'm not.
Don't be scared to edit.
For the record, I'm not afraid to edit. Barely. Alright guys, stay tuned next week when we change 2 head gaskets on XJs probably. And don't forget to subscribe. And everybody else has been subscribing and supporting us, thank you.